Hello guys, I am Shy Wolf and this is Shy Wolf Wealthy Bushido. Um I did change my name up a bit just to, you know, just to show you what the channel's about. So, um disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So if you guys want to invest, do your due diligence and also research before anything else. Okay, so what you want to do is go to register, right? You want to register. Yep, you want to register your email, password, yeah, and agree to this. You don't have to agree to this. So you register, but I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in. So these are the gambling games, but I don't condone gambling. Do your due diligence, and yeah, if you wanna lose money, go and gamble. I do not suggest it. What we want to do is earn passive income, but this is not actually really passive. You have to come in here every hour, every 90 minutes. You come in here every 90 minutes and tap on harvest, and what's gonna show up here is I am not a robot, and you click it and it will go back down. Then every time 90 minutes, then you come in here again, and then again until you reach $5. I'm at 12 cents. So what I recommend is you don't use this money, but you invest it somewhere else to get more out of it, instead of just use it, to buy something. You can actually use it to invest somewhere to earn more money. So $5 may not be a lot, but it's good for like small investments. And so also there's a referral program. Let's see the referral program. So I'm still new to this, but yeah, so please click the link in the description, support the channel. So also you can share it with your friends, or if you have a YouTube channel also, you can earn this way. Win bonus: every time your referral wins, you get 20% of the payout they get. Crypto farm bonus: get 25% of crypto claimed by your referrals. Mining bonus: get 7% of Lee mined by your referrals. So this is a good way to make money. So combine the free crypto farm plus the referrals, you can make a decent amount of money from here. So this is the passive one. If you have a decent following, or you have a financial YouTube channel, you can share this and review this website, share your referral link, and boom, here comes money. You claim, while they are making the $5, you are making money from whatever they are doing: win bonus, crypto farm bonus, mining bonus, whatever they do on this website, you make money out of it from the referral program. So yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. So I do not have withdrawal proof yet, but in future when I do reach the $5 minimum, so I want to show you guys quickly what you need to know about the withdrawal. So go to withdraw. Let's see, network web20. You see, you need $5 to withdraw. $5. So it's the exact amount is how much you can make in the month. So I did my calculations. If you come in here and I forget my calculations, do your own calculations, your own research. I'm not saying invest in this or gamble. Do your own due diligence and do your own research. Don't just go investing in whatever. Always do your own research, guys. Always do that. Don't just invest blindly. Don't do that. I used to be just like that. Don't believe everything you see on YouTube. Always do research. And if you do want to invest just enough that you won't go broke, like investing, like say you make the $5 right from here. You do make the $5. Don't spend it on anything else. Invest it somewhere else that you will make a good profit. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. And i um i I want to introduce you to uHive. It's a social media where you can earn crypto for just using it. Follow me on there, and also I will be having a competition, the free cash competition. For more information, contact me on uHive. If you do download it, I will have weekly competitions, and people can win some crypto there. People can win some crypto for just being in the top 10 on my referrals on free cash. You will be in the competition and you can win a decent amount of crypto. So stay tuned, guys. Peace out. This is Shauf and welcome.